You are welcome to the airplane from United States to El Salvador. At the airport. Good morning. May I see your tickets, please? Here are they. May I have your passport, please? Here you go. Excuse me, are you checking any bags? This is mine and this is her. Okay, please place your bag on the scale. Beep. Do you have arms or keys? I will check your luggage. No, just beans to my friends. Oh my God. Anyway, your bag goes 15 pounds over the limits, but your sister's is under the limits. If you want, you can move things to your sister's bag, and that will even the weight out. Sure, good suggestions. Anyway, will we have a scale? No. It goes straight through to El Salvador. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 18 and it will begin boarding at 8:20 a.m. Your seat number is 10A and 10A1. I appreciate your help. It is a pleasure to attend you. At the airport in the boarding flight 1A. Pre-boarding announcements. Good morning, passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for Flight 1A to El Salvador. The passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you. Final boarding announcement. This is the final boarding call for passengers Mary and Fred. Booked on flight 1A to El Salvador. Please proceed to gate 2 immediately. The final checks are being completed and the captain will order for the doors of the aircraft to close in approximately 5 minutes time. I repeat, this is the final boarding call for Mary and Fred. Thank you. Announcements. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Flight 1A. We serve from United States to El Salvador. We are currently third in line for takeoff and are expected to be in the air in approximately 7 minutes time. We ask that you please fasten your seat belts at this time and secure all baggage underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Smoking is prohibited for the duration of the flight. Thank you for choosing Educame Airlines. Enjoy your flights. Captain's announcements. Good afternoon, passengers. This is your captain speaking. First, I'd like to welcome everyone on Right Wings Flight 1A. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 33,000 feet and airspeed of 400 miles per hour. The time is 8:25 a.m. The weather looks good, and with the tailwind on our side, we are expecting to land in El Salvador approximately 15 minutes ahead of schedule. The weather in El Salvador is clear and sunny, with a high of 25 degrees for this afternoon. If the weather cooperates, we should get a great view of the city as we descend. The cabin crew will be coming around in about 20 minutes time to offer you a light snacks and beverage, and the in-flight movie will begin shortly after that. I'll talk to you again before we reach our destination. Until then, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight. Safety briefing. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention as we review the emergency procedures. There are 6 emergency exits on these aircrafts. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exits may be behind you. Count the number of rounds to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seats. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this. Pull the straps to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, while we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you. Tied to it at the airplanes. Chicken or pasta? Sorry? Would you like chicken or pasta? I'll have the chicken. Anything to drink? What kind of soda do you have? Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Orange, and Dr. Pepper. A Diet Coca. No ice, please. Here you go. You are the lifesaver. It is a pleasure to attend you.